ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಏನು ಕಲಿಬೇಕಂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಡೂ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ವೆಲ್, ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಡಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಚಿಲ್. ನಾನು ಏನೇನು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾನು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾನು ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ನಾನು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಫ್ರಂಟ್, ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಮೆನಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಪೀಕರು, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಡ್ಫೋನ್ ಹಿಂಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ವಿತ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡು ಏರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಓಪನ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು recording properly or not, how to add a background music, another. So every day doing this kind of exercise will go to bring the habits change. What does that mean? Habit is essential. Motivation will change for one day, but habits will change life. So I am doing now every exercise which I am doing on daily basis, practicing it. So I'll let you know what all need to be practiced so that you can able to be fit. I think many of my community members are yoga teachers and they know how to do yoga better than me, but you guys are facing the challenges like I don't want to show my face, my family members are not allowing me to go online, and I'm struggling with the technology front, what to record a session, how to conduct a Zoom online sessions, and many other things which is technology front challenges. Yes, you will go to find it, those challenges. Okay, so I don't think so yoga people I'm thinking you guys are very sharp minded and you are eager to learn many things very fast, but after joining this one I came to know that it is not the what background you are coming from. Even doctors are smoking. It means they know it's very well smoke is injurious to health, but one operation, the other operation, they will take a break and they will go for a smoke and they will drink it chai. Okay, so it means yoga teachers are also the human beings. Even they are facing the challenges. All human beings coming with the same traits. So that is what in the Stranger Secret they are telling 95% people are failed because of habits. Okay, sure, let's meet it tomorrow. That's all for today, and tomorrow we'll come with a different topic. Thank you very much. Bye.